Designers want fast feedback on their prototypes, and they want it without ever leaving Figma. With user testing for Figma, designers can get real-time feedback from actual people and move forward quickly. All you have to do is say, create a test here in the plugin, describe what it is that you want to learn about the prototype, and then select Generate Test. UserTesting's AI will create the entire test plan for you. The entire test plan is here, instructions, a Figma task, and then follow-up questions. You can add a path to measure exactly where everybody goes, how many clicks they have, how much time they spend there, and were they truly successful in getting to the confirmation page in this prototype. Scroll down, select an audience, and launch the test. The results of the test are right here inside of Figma. We've got our full success criteria, we've got our metrics, and we have AI themes. If we want to go deeper and see an insight that made up this theme, simply open it and play the video clip right there. If there's a particular metric that you want to actually copy onto the canvas, like the success rate or the how difficult or easy was it, just click Add to Canvas. That's going to pop up right here on the screen, shrink it down, slide it to the side, and everyone working on this prototype is going to see just how effective it was with user testing. If you want to see the full study and all the video recordings in their entirety, you can always scroll to the bottom of the plugin and click View Full Results, and you'll just jump right over into the user testing platform.